Well, all right. We are headed back to Wildwood Canyon State Park because I like that place. So we're gonna try to get in touch with Mike in Michigan, K8MRD, and play radio. Today I'm bringing out the Yaesu 891. K8MRD, Kilo 8, Mike Romeo Delta, do you copy? W6, RIP, Whiskey 6, Romeo India, Papa.
Yeah, Kevin, I got you. 2-2, Kilo 1495.
Okay, Roger, came up real good there. Got you, I got your 2-2, you're a 3-3, 33, over.
What's your park?
Kilo dash 3593, 3593, Kilo 3593.
Okay, I copy 3593. Good contact.
Roger. Hey, come back again. I'm gonna log it this time. So, what's your park again?
I didn't copy that.
Your park number.
1495.
Okay, copy the 1495, 1495. Roger. Good contact. Finally, it came up. You sound awesome.
You're crazy, man. We got the good contact. 73, man. 73.
Roger. Good contact, and got on video, and we'll catch you later, brother. Talk to you on the old cell phone waves.
Right on, brother. Have fun out there.
Okay, copy that. You too, man. Take care.
November 4, Echo X-ray.
Ooh, here we go. Oh, November 4 Echo X-ray. Great signal. 5757.
QSL, you're 5454 North Carolina from N4EX. Thank you.
Roger the 54. Thank you. 73.
November 5, Hotel Alpha, over.
Okay, Roger. November 5 Hotel Alpha. You are a 4444, over.
Roger. From November 5, Hotel Alpha, Louisiana, over.
Louisiana, come back again with the signal report. Again with the signal report, over.
Roger, you're 55, Louisiana, 55, Louisiana,
Yes.
from November 5, Hotel Alpha, over.
Okay, Roger the 55. Thank you for the contact, sir. 73.
Kilo Delta 4, Tango Papa.
Kilo Delta 4, Tango Papa. Kilo Delta 4, Tango Papa. Great signal. 5858.
Virginia, 4-4, good Bravo, QRM.
Roger, Roger, 4-4 Virginia. Thank you for that contact. 7-3.
73, God bless. Whiskey, Bravo, 8, Charlie, Papa Golf.
Okay, got a Whiskey Charlie 8. Oh, wait. Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf. Is that correct?
QSL, you are in Ohio, QSL.
Okay, I believe you said 5-5. Is that correct? Did you say 5-5? Shit, man. These...
I need that report again.
you're
You
a 3.
are a 5-5.
5-5.
QSL.
Okay, Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-5. You are also 5-5-5-5. Over.
Oh, gosh, I'm just not quite getting the report. QSP, a little bit of QSP. Try it a couple of times, please, my report.
I'm gonna do... You are a 4-4-4-4-44-44. Over. Okay.
Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf. November 5, Sierra, for the next game. Whiskey 5, Florida, Kilowatt, Norway.
Okay, I got a few stations in there. So I got a Whiskey 5, Florida, Kilowatt, Norway.
QSL, Whiskey 5, Florida, Kilowatt, Norway. You're 5 and 7 in Texas.
Roger, the 5-7 Texas. You are 5-8-5-8.
QSL on the 5-8. Thank you much for the activation.
All right, thank you for the contact. Appreciate it. 7-3.
73. November 5, Sierra,
Sierra. There he is. Okay, Roger. November 5, Sierra Lima Yankee. You are 4-4-4-4-4-4. Over.
QSL the 4-5, Texas, Tango X-ray.
Roger, Roger. 5-9 Texas. Thank you for the contact, sir.
Thank you at 73.
7-3. W6 RIP Parks on the air.
Victor Echo 5, X-ray uniform.
Victor Echo. We got a Victor Echo 5 station.
Yeah, Victor Echo 5, X-ray uniform. And you are 555-75 into Saskatchewan, Canada this afternoon, over.
Nice. Roger, the 5-5 in Canada. Thank you. You are a 5-8-5-8-58 here in California. Over.
Roger, got the 5-8, and I got your park at 3593. And I thank you very much for the activation. 73. Alpha Hotel 6, Victor.
Alpha Hotel. Okay, Alpha Hotel 6 Victor. Great signal, 5-8-5-8.
Okay, about 5-7 here. I'm located on Big Island, Hawaii, and
Nice.
my name is Jeremy. Over.
Thank you for Hawaii, Jeremy. Awesome. You sound incredible here in Southern California. Over.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I have your call as Whiskey 6 of Romeo India Papa. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
And your park number is 3593. Is that correct?
Roger, Roger, Roger. It's Wildwood Canyon State Park here in Southern California.
Terrific. Okay, very good. You're in the log. You're in QRZ log. And good luck and aloha from Big Island.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the aloha, and thank you for the Big Island, Hawaii. 7-3, sir.
Bye-bye.
Victor Echo 3, Zulu, November. Victor Echo 3, Zulu, November.
Victor Echo 3, Zulu. Okay, I got a Victor Echo 3, Zulu, November. Awesome signal, 5959.
At QSL, you're 5x7. 5x7. Thank you very much for your park and your activation from Victor Echo 3, Zulu, November. QSL.
Roger, the 5-7. And where are you located in Canada?
Roger, Roger. I'm sorry, I live right outside the capital city of Ottawa.
Okay, Roger, Roger. Thank you for that. Thank you for that contact. 7-3.
Roger, 7-3. Good luck, VE3ZN. I guess it's QRM area at this end, but in the clear, you're good.
Victor Alpha 7, Bravo, India X-ray, QSL.
Okay, Victor Alpha 7, Bravo, India X-ray. Great signal, 5757. Over.
Oh, wow. Well, that's great. I'm only running 20 watts on a end-fed antenna up 10 feet here in Whistler, BC. QSL?
Okay, Roger, Roger. Up in BC, yeah. We got some good propagation right now. Canada's coming in real well.
So you're about 5557 fluctuating right now.
Okay, Roger, the 5557. Yeah, it's kind of dipping a little bit. So you're right around about a 5556. Over.
Roger, well now you're 5'9". QSL?
Roger, we're bouncing all around. Very cool. Thank you for the contact.
You're welcome. The handle this way is Simon, Sierra, India, Mike, Oscar, November. So thanks for the report, and 73. Kilo Bravo 9, Kilo Charlie.
Kilo Bravo 9, Kilo Charlie. Okay, got a Kilo Bravo 9, Kilo Charlie. Awesome signal, 5858.
QSL, I have you 5252 in Illinois. QSL.
Roger, the 52 in Illinois. Roger, 52 Illinois. Thank you for the contact.
Thank you for activating 73, KB9KC.
Whiskey Delta 5, Charlie, Sugar Kilowatt, WD5, CSK, over.
Okay, Roger, Whiskey Delta 5, Charlie, Sierra Kilowatt. Great signal, 5858, over.
QSL to 58, you're that too, 5758, let's make 58 both ways, QSL.
Roger, the 58 both ways. Thank you for the contact. And what's your location?
I'm in the middle of Oklahoma, name here is Ron, just north of Oklahoma City, QSL.
QSL, Oklahoma City. Thank you for the contact, Ron.
Thanks for being out there today, 73, WD5, CSK.
Hotel Quebec.
I think I got a Kilo 8 Hotel Quebec. Is that right?
QSL, Kilo, Hotel Quebec, you're 55. 55 in the Michigan, Mike, India, QSL.
Okay, got you in Michigan. Got the 55. I think you said 55. You're about a 55 also. And thank you for Michigan.
You're welcome. Thank you for 3593. Have a good day and good luck out there. Yeah, Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Juliet, Kevin.
Hey, what's up, brother? Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Juliet. How you doing? You're a 5858, over.
Yeah, Roger. Good to hear you. I listened for you earlier, but you weren't coming in, so I worked a few other parks and I came back to you here, and you're coming through quite nicely now. A solid 5 and 5. Kevin, solid 5 and 5.
Oh, very.
I'm glad I was able to make the contact with you here on Pota today instead of Summit. I got a split screen set up here. I got Summit's on the air on the left-hand side of my screen, and Park's on the air on the right-hand side of my monitor. So I'm trying to catch everybody at the same time. Over.
Hey, good for you. That's awesome. Very cool. Yeah, good to get the Parks on the air with you, and just kind of mixing it up a little bit. And I wanted to run 100 watts, and finally got a QSO with Mike K8MRD out here. So I don't have all day today, and they got snow in the mountains. So I was just gonna do a little Parks on the air and have a little fun running 100 watts. But finally it's coming in. That's good.
Help you make a lot of contact. We'll catch up with you later. Appreciate the activation. W6 Romeo India Papa. Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Juliet. Good luck, 7-3.
Roger, 7-3, brother. Take care. Talk to you soon.
Alpha Echo 0 X-Ray India.
Okay, got an Alpha Echo 0 X-Ray India. Great signal. 5757, over.
You are 57 also into the state of South Dakota.
Nice.
QSL.
Roger, 57 in South Dakota. Thank you. I think that's my first contact over there.
So thank you very much. Have a good day and be safe.
Roger that. Will do. Thank you. And 7-3 for South Dakota.
Whiskey 5 Papa Delta Whiskey.
Whiskey 5 Papa Delta Whiskey. Whiskey 5 Papa Delta Whiskey. Great signal. 5757, over.
Thank you, Kevin. You're 5'7" as well into Texas. My name is John. I really enjoyed your website, your photographs. I love shooting cameras and guns too. We live closer.
So, but Wildwood Canyon Park, awesome, very cool. The got three contacts into Canada. They sounded really well. And they're running the Chameleon today again. I think I showed it earlier, but counterpoise. It's a 1.4 SWR. So I brought the tuner, didn't even need it. Love that view.
I need space to find myself. A little time to get some rest. If I stay, I lose my breath.